Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to integrate Shopify with Zoho Books. So here, the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Zoho Books, and then make sure to log in to your account. Okay, so now that you're here, you just have to click on this gear icon or settings at the top right. That's right. And then right here, just have to go to the extension and developer data and then go here to the marketplace. So here on the marketplace, you just have to search for Shopify integration. So we have that right here. But if you cannot find this option, you can also use the search bar and then you just have to type out Shopify. Okay, and then click on this one. Okay, so after that, you have this Shopify integration for Zoho Books. You have to allow data to flow seamlessly between Shopify and Zoho Books. So you just have to click on this visit website option. Then after that, you will see a guide on how you can integrate your Shopify stores to Zoho Books. So I cannot really click on this one right now because it will shows all of my personal information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.